Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel Canvadesign Pro. Today I'm going to show you an easy way to achieve this type of text. Let's start the video. First of all, you have to select an image. Now I crop the image. After this, we go to the elements and now type the letters you want to use. Search F and select it from frames. I resize this and place here. Now search the letter I, next letter S and place there, and the last H. Search and I crop this. Now go back to the uploads and now drag the image inside the frame. Double click inside the frame and then resize the image as the first one. Now again the same process, drag the image inside the second letter and resize it. Resize it. The same again inside the letter and resize it. Okay. Now the last one, resize and then adjust the picture. Now click the first letter, increase border style and change the color. The same process again, increase the border, change the color. The letter S, increase the border and change the color. Now we click the first image, edit image and then background remover. So here is your final result. I hope you liked the video. Thank you for watching me.